No,
Money?
business.
I don't have cash on me. Get this place another 10 years and I guarantee you this is the next New York or something.
Сама підно знімлюся, як тут удобно.
Sorry, I don't speak. I don't understand. Good morning everyone from the beautiful city of Warsaw in Poland, and join me on this extensive trip around the city. I've been here the last time many years ago, and since then it's changed a lot. I mean, look at this. All these new residential buildings here. What was once the former Soviet Union with the gray block houses. Look at it now. I mean, wow. You know where tram station is? Tram? Like
There.
there. Okay, thank you very much. And this is the central railway station area. Anyways, like let's walk around Warsaw. Have no idea like where I'm going. Let's just like explore it completely spontaneously. By the way, fun fact about Warsaw, it's also known as the Phoenix City because of the number of times it's been destroyed and risen again like a phoenix due to wars. What?
Boże, co ty?
What?
Co to oznacza?
You speak English? I don't speak.
Prawie wszystko rozumiem.
You want something?
Wszystko. Pan dobyć... Сама підно знімлюся, як wszystko удобно.
Sorry, I don't speak. I don't understand.
Bla bla bla.
I have no idea what you wanted from me. That building over there is the Palace of Culture and Science. I want to go to the old town.
Yeah.
Is that direction over
Yeah,
there?
it's that direction, so you need to go left in the end,
Yeah.
and after that straight. So
Okay, thank you. How far away
it's
approximately?
like around 15 minutes walk.
15 minutes
So
walk.
you just need to walk like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you can go all the time straight if you want.
Okay.
Do you have like Google Maps or something?
Yeah, I have.
So it's not far away. You will see the huge park, and when you turn right, there will be all.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The folks here are very friendly, as you can see, and speak also English. And also a fun fact about Poland, it's the one of the fastest growing economies in the European Union. It's basically an economic miracle. It was definitely different after the collapse of the Soviet Union, when Poland gained its independence. I remember in the 90s it was like basically Warsaw was a city full of crime. There were car thefts every 5 minutes, like in Warsaw. And now it's basically one of the safest cities in Europe. Maybe let's skip the city tour and go straight to the gym. What do you think? What do you say? Right, this is a local gym here in Warsaw. I'm eager to know how the gyms here in Warsaw are like. Let's check it out. Wow. Quite a surprise, man. This one's quite big. And what I like about this one is the music is not too loud. Yeah, like huge. Real nice gym. Definitely recommend this one. Sadly enough, I don't have enough time, but anyways, like if you're in Warsaw, this is your spot where to train. I love it. So far, I'm quite surprised how developed the city is. Didn't expect this, to be honest. Also, an interesting fact about Poland and its citizens is that the society is divided in two groups: liberals and highly conservatives. So I don't know how they're fighting each other or not, like, but that's how it goes here in Poland. Like, this is the historical city of Warsaw. Beautiful architecture. And to be honest, I'm quite surprised that they even have here in Old Town, because during the Second World War the Nazi troops destroyed 90% of the buildings here in Warsaw. So that's quite a surprise for me, but like, I guess the buildings are older than 100 years. There we have the Royal Castle of Warsaw. As I don't like museums that much, I don't want to go inside. Also a fact worth mentioning is that over 70% of Poles identify themselves or count themselves as Catholic. So Poland is a Catholic country. And while Poland is within the European Union, it kept his national currency, zloty, for whatever reasons. I don't understand. But yeah, like, that's why you have many currency exchange offices all over the place. You have old stuff here, huh?
Yeah.
How much money is there? Approximately, like.
Who knows? Who knows?
On my way to the what's according to the internet, if you can believe it, one of the most dangerous streets areas in Warsaw, Brzeziska. I hope I pronounced the name right. Brzeziska Street. Let's check it out. It's ulica Brzeziska, and in particular the Praga district. According to internet, to the almighty internet, is supposed to be one of the most dangerous areas in Warsaw. Doesn't look that dangerous to me. What do you think? Looks like a quite ordinary, normal street to me. I don't know, like, if this is the most dangerous area, the hood here in Warsaw, then this is the safest place on planet Earth. This looks like an interesting area. No filming? No? Why?
No.
Money?
Business.
I don't have cash on me. Can I pay with card? No? Did you... Are these yours? Yours?
In Poland.
You're Polish, this one,
In
eh?
Poland. 50 zł.
50 zloty. Do you accept Visa, MasterCard?
Order in Poland pisze. To wszystko jest.
Okay. I could imagine myself traveling with this one.
In Poland.
Unicat,
40
yeah.
zł, tak?
40 zloty.
Euro.
Yeah, I could imagine. I don't have zloty. Sorry.
Historia, halo.
Of course, history. I can imagine like this one here, me traveling with this bag as the ultimate hipster. No photo? I'm not photo. I'm filming, no photo. I'm filming, no picture. Could you imagine yourself living in this building? Having an apartment there? Wow. An old Soviet type of building. Yeah, alright. I guess that's about it. On this street, not much more to show. No prostitution, no drugs. So to be honest, for me it looks quite safe. Not sure how the situation is here at nighttime, but other than that, it's fine. You can come here. No one will rape you, I guarantee. You have a nice dog. With a tram here in Warsaw is, in my opinion, the best way how to move around. Highly recommend. Like, you can get everywhere basically. You don't need a car. Even a palm tree here. Boom, here we are. Ulica Nowy Świat. This is the main, you could say, shopping street in Warsaw. There. that was the Ukrainian delegation or something like that, or someone from there, because I saw the Ukrainian flag in front of the car. Right, the metro line is also here very convenient and modern, as you can see. Right, this is the Miro Financial District, the uprising business hub. It's basically where all the banks are located, skyscrapers, financial institutions, headquarters of international companies, and so on and so forth. And there they have the residential units over there. Like 2 banks, 1 bank, 2 banks, and like lots of banks here in this area. And I remember during the 90s, like Poland here was pretty much criminal, also controlled partly by the mafia. Means like if you wanted to drive through Poland with your car, they stopped your car. When you entered Poland, you had to pay a certain amount of money, fee. Otherwise they didn't let you through, you know, past Poland. And then when you drove out of Poland, if you didn't have the passport, you had to pay again. Like so it was wild back then in the 90s. And now look where it's at. Give this fucking place another 10 years and I guarantee you this is the next New York or something. Alright folks, on this note, I hope you liked the video. If you did, you know what to do, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.